Welcome everyone, this is Andrew, and whether you are stuck at home or in the office, everyone needs their favorite coffee cup. Today we're looking at Mugr from HMM, Human Mechanic Method. There's a small little tag affixed to the cup that warns you about some of the precautions you need to take, such as avoiding the microwave and the dishwasher. There are premium materials here and you just don't want to ruin those, especially the wooden handle. Just like with a good wood spoon, you don't really just want to run through the dishwasher a bunch of times. It'll ruin that finish and eventually causing it to rot and start to smell. If it starts to go bad at all or starts to lose that luster, rub it with just a little bit of cooking oil or mineral oil that you would use for your butcher block. I've been using mine for a few months and it still looks great after daily wear and tear. The mug itself is made out of a Japanese ceramic and finished with a matte charcoal glaze. And each and every Mugr coffee cup is handcrafted by Taiwanese artisans. The whole cup is very simplistic and purpose-driven. The only word mark you're going to see is the HMM logo stamped there on the bottom. The mug itself is ceramic, so just like any other ceramic mug, it does get quite warm when you have hot water, hot coffee going into it. Luckily there is that handle, and as the wood is wood and it does not absorb heat, does not transfer energy as much as the ceramic does, it stays quite cool as you're using the mug. But it is also great for those winter mornings when you need just a little bit more warmth. Whether it is a lazy weekend morning when you're taking your time and grinding beans and doing the pour over, or if it's an early workday morning and you're in a rush and just use your Nespresso, Mugr is one of the classiest and best looking ways to hold your coffee, tea, or any of your other drinks. That charcoal ceramic finish does a good job of holding up and is very easy to wash. Not a lot gets stuck to it like other mugs do, and it's just overall a very simplistic, stylish way to drink your coffee. I've gone through my fair share of mugs, I've bought a lot of them, but my favorite one so far has to be Mugr by HMM. It looks great, it's handcrafted, and it's going to hold up. If you want to grab one for yourself, you can find the link down below in the description.